Microsoft plans to invest $10 billion in OpenAI, seeing the success of OpenAI which they got from Dall.E and ChatGPT, which is currently the hottest topic on the internet. Whoever uses this AI tool just can't stop talking about. Let's consider their most successful release, ChatGPT. It is talk of the town. Even my friend who doesn't have any interest in tech or AI knows about it. One day he was telling me that, do you know about ChatGPT? It is crazy good. Have you tried this? Isn't this incredible? These AIs are reaching to people regardless of their interest, and most important is that they are mesmerized by the potential of these tools. This makes OpenAI a very valuable asset for investment. Considering these things, it totally makes sense to invest $10 billion in it. Integration of OpenAI APIs into Microsoft software will put them ahead of their competitors. By the way, $10 billion isn't their first investment. Even in past time, they have invested into OpenAI. Their first investment was of $1 billion, which helped them in their initial growth. Making AIs need a lot of data and resources, which needs a lot of money too. OpenAI is probably gonna accept this deal if they want to be the part of AI race. Do you know OpenAI burning cash every day? Whenever we ask anything to ChatGPT, then the process for giving you the answer costs a certain amount of money. It is estimated that they are burning $3 million every day. It is not like Google where they can cover their expenses by showing ads. ChatGPT is much different. It is clean and gives point to point answer, which making people love it. Considering these circumstances, $10 billion will be a lot of help to OpenAI. On the other hand, Microsoft will get to enjoy their latest API before anyone else. OpenAI also planning to release ChatGPT premium version where you will get unique responses to your questions, which will be different from free version, obviously. Rumors has it that Microsoft gonna revive their wins by integrating ChatGPT into it. If they make it, it will be hard for Google to compete against it. Let's just see what happens in the future. I hope I have covered the details about the investment and possibilities of things that might happen in the future. Well, then that's it to this video. I hope it was fun. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps in better reach. Thank you so much for watching till the end.